Good morning. This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and this morning I'm going to make something that I've really never made before. I'm going to make homemade sloppy joes, homemade manwich, whatever you want to call it. And what I've got is this. Oh, wait a minute, let me show you. I am using my Instant Pot Gem. This is a programmable pot. It doesn't do pressure. It's just called the Instant Pot Gem. I got it at a steal. I got it from Walmart for $30. It sears and sautés. It stews. Slow cooker high, slow cooker low. Rice, roast, steam, bake. And then it's got the temperature going up and down and the time going up and down. I love this thing. The first video I did, I thought it was going to be horrible. I thought I was going to have to take it back. And what happened was I didn't plug it in all the way. And it was going off and on and off and on. And, I mean, just dummy me. But anyway, in here, that's what I'm using, my Instant Pot Gem. In here, in this pot, this is a 6-quart. I've got about 3 pounds of ground chuck. I'm going to make a lot of this, and I'm going to freeze what I don't eat in the next few days. All right, now let me show you what I'm going to put in here. I've got these are like medium onions. I've got 2 stalks of celery that I'm putting in here, and 1 green pepper. That's what I'm putting in to saute right now. So let me get all this cut up, and I just wanted to show you the size. I've got 1 this size and then 1 this size, and so they're 2 medium onions, 2 stalks of celery, and a green bell pepper. And I will bring you back. Okay, I'm back. All right, you can see I've got the onions cut up, the peppers cut up, and the celery cut up, and it's in here with the ground beef. And I cut up the peppers and the celery pretty fine because they give more flavor. So I didn't really want to, have them big. The onions I didn't worry so much about. But the peppers and the celery I did. And I got this neat little chopper thing, meat chopper thing, and this is really cool. It just chops up your meat. Any of your meat that you have, it just chops it up. Really good for you, and it leaves it, really ground up. And there'll be a link to this. I'll just call it the meat chopper. And there'll be a link to this down below in my description box. I love this little thing. I use it for everything. And I use it to mix up things, and in here, like the vegetables and everything. So it's really come in handy. I don't know if you can see it, but it's plastic, and I got this on Amazon. It's plastic, and right here just chops everything for you. It's not sharper, and I wouldn't cut you, but you put it in and twist it and turn it, and it just chops up everything for you. So, like I said, if you don't have one of these, I'll leave a link below to where you can purchase it, which y'all know that I always have stuff down in the description box that I use, and y'all can purchase it on Amazon. So I'm gonna let this sit here and brown up and all these things, because I don't want the onions or the celery or the peppers to be hard. I want them to really be soft in this. And I'm gonna put the lid on it, and I'm just gonna let it sit here. And on this Instant Pot Gem, you can go temperature. You can go, let's see what it'll go up to. I'm not sure what it'll go up to. I keep hitting the wrong thing. 425. So that's pretty cool. I usually try to sear stuff on around 300, and I usually do it for, it starts out at 30 minutes, but you can go higher on the sear and the saute too. So it's not like the Instant Pot. I don't know. I think on the Instant Pot, whoops, what happened here? Yeah. Well, okay. There it goes. It's coming back. All right. So anyway, I'm just going to let this sit and cook. So I will bring you back. Okay. I'm back. All right. I've got this on 400 now. Boiling some of the water out. And I'm going to put more right back in, but I'm just getting some of this out. Now I've got 1 can of the pesto flavor. I don't know what that's going to taste like. Tomato paste. And I've got to get some brown sugar. I forgot to get it out of the refrigerator. Alright, so I should have mixed this in the water, but I didn't. And I've got 1 cup of water, well 2 cups, but I don't think I'm going to put all of that since there's so much liquid in here now. But I am going to pour some water in this tomato paste pan so I can get it out and get all of it out. Alright, so I've got that. And then I'm going to put, let me see, I'm going to put a chicken bouillon cube in there. The tomato chicken flavor. Alright, so there's the tomato paste in there. And I'm going to put some ketchup in here, probably about a cup of ketchup. Yeah, a good cup of ketchup. And I've got this going full blast on sear. I don't have it up to the 425, but I got it up to 400. And I think it does need a little bit more ketchup. I might, but like I said, at least a cup of ketchup. And I haven't put any spices in here or salt and pepper or anything. I'm just kind of, and I'm fixing tater tots with this, so I've got my oven preheating to fix the tater tots. All right, so let me get all my spices together and I'll bring you back. Okay, all right, so I'm ready to put the other stuff in it now. I have got, I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. There's 1, because it's no salt. I haven't put any salt in this at all. There's 2. All right, and then I'm going to put 1½ of coarse ground black pepper. 1½ teaspoons of coarse ground black pepper. All right, and then next is brown sugar. I'm gonna put, like, with all this hamburger, I'm gonna put at least 4 tablespoons of dark brown sugar. You can use light too. I've just got dark today, but most of the time I just get light. All right, there's 2. I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of dark brown sugar. Hope I don't need any more. I'll just have to let this cook for a while and then taste it and see. All right, and now I'm going to put, if I can get the top off, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire. Worcestershire. And I think I'm going to put 2.5 tablespoons of Worcestershire. And dummy me, use the liquid before I finished with the dry, because I'm just like slow like that. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. I might have to end up using that other water. All right, I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of onion powder. And I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic powder. And then I'm going to use a tablespoon of mustard, and my mustard hasn't been opened right now. And I have the hardest time opening these little things. There it goes. Because I've lost all the strength in my hands because I'm now old. A heaping tablespoon of yellow mustard. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so good. I already know. I have wanted this for days now. All right, let me stir this up. And I am going to go on and use the rest of this. And this has got the 1 bouillon cube in it. It's a, well, it's a Knorr's bouillon cube. It's chicken and tomato. It's the soft one. And I'm just going to, let me taste this now and see if I'm going to need any more brown sugar. Nope. Not at all. This is perfect. Alright, so I'm going to, I've got it on 350 now. And while the tater tots are cooking, I'm just going to let this, let's see, what if I push this on? I'm going to put this on stew. And it's going to cook on, I think stew's the 175 is, no, it'll go to, what, I'm going to put this on 200 on stew. And I'm just going to let this cook down. I may have to turn it the last probably 10 minutes. I may have to turn it back up to sear saute and get that extra water out of it. Let me show y'all. I'm zooming in here. And I'll stir it and show y'all. Can't see it. It's runny right now, but all those flavors are going to meld together now, and I'm going to let this cook for 20 to 30 minutes, and I will bring you back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. All right, here it is. It's still really hot, but I'm so hungry. It's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. See the steam coming off of it? Oh my gosh, do you see it right there? It is really hot, but I want to taste this for y'all and see. I'm not even going to pick up the bun. Be able to pick up the bun for a while. All right, y'all. This is better than any Manwich that you can get. Loretta, my nurse, is here, and she even said the same thing. Now, I put mayonnaise on my Manwich, so that's the creamy stuff that you see on there. I'm telling you, that is absolutely perfect. I think the only thing that I would have changed about this is I would have, instead of using those 2 cups of the liquid, the bouillon, I think I would have just used about a half a cup. And no, there's it's got some of the Kaiser bun on it. These buns are Kaiser buns that I got at Aldi, whatever how you say it, yesterday for $1 and I think it was 29 cents or 39 cents. Amazing looking buns. Amazing looking. But look at that. Oh my gosh, look at my Manwich there. Not Manwich, because this is way better than Manwich. This is good, and I've got a little bit of tater tots here and my ketchup. This is absolutely amazing, y'all. You've got to give this a try. And you know what I forgot to put in here? The vinegar. I was going to put it... Did I put any vinegar? I don't think I did. I was going to put like 1/4 of a cup of vinegar in here. Next time I'm going to have to do that. See if that gives it a little bit of more of a tangy taste. But still, this is amazing. The brown sugar, everything just brought this together. All right, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and also don't forget that little meat chopper thing. I'll have that listed below. And there's lots more things that I use. There's a canner in there, a pressure canner. I think there's a water bath canner. All these things I use in my kitchen. So I hope you have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.